Hi guys, I took a trade for Bitcoin, so I'm just doing a quick analysis right here. The reason why I took this trade is I saw a from yesterday. Saw I consider this kind of a trap seller, and I've been watching this pair for quite a while. So how they react. So basically the seller came down, came all the way down, and then well, I think, yeah, those days I was trying to take a couple trade, but it didn't work out. At this area I took a profit from here too, but in this areas I didn't took a profit, and then at this point I was reading on this. I could see is a pullback, because it killed the last seller over here, and then it went up again, again, and then I took a profit from here, and then it went back up, and then this was my time to figure out would this gonna be a rejection of the seller, and it's quite some time from here. And I also draw a line over here, draw a square over here. This what happens, a big giant pullback of daily, which is a trap seller over here and trap buyer. I was still learning, so I started learning that so I was very focusing on with the trap buyer and the trap seller, and it does help me a lot to avoid the trade if I want to do the trade. So from that moment, and I saw a seller was weak, and a buyer was also weak, but became so a little bit became very strong, but I don't see no value of value. So at that point they came from here and break, but then I see a value for 1 hour for the seller, and then I consider this spot right here of a trap for a seller. So basically when this buyer was weak, I still not sure, but they came on weak on this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 hours. It was Asian session. They did something around the end. They push harder, and then at that time I was like, okay, since push harder, so I consider this as a pro. Once I see it's a pro, and I went to a little bit lower time frame, I got in kind of early, but and it was a good price. So before that pro, they didn't have what's it called? I'm pretty sure they do have value, but okay value. But I took that trade because I saw the buyer's weak, so the seller came hard. And it came hard, and I just took a trade. From there, I was thinking to take all the way down, but at this point, it was slowing me down so badly. So I break and slow down, and and then make a little, kind of make a, what's it called, 1, 2, and 3 attempt, then go down. But I took my price over here, 200%, because I couldn't wait that long, and it was forming a channel, a break channel, and then forming here, and overall my point to sell, because I could see that that area being holding for a very long time for a trap seller, and eventually it was a right time to take it out and wait for maybe New York session to take them out again. And that's basically my analysis, and I don't see any trap buyer anymore, because why would it be trap buyer if the buyers come so weak, unless they come here and to take him down, take down the seller, or do a pro or something. And yeah, but I got to the point is like it's been squeezing, so I wouldn't take that risk unless I take another trade for next day, which is today, but wait for until the New Year session opens, see how they react. And that's it. Please give me feedback. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else. I think I took 100% profit right there, and that's basically it. But now I see sellers coming back, and kind of good feeling about that. That able to hopefully New Year session will give me, and just wait for a pullback. So thank you for watching, and that's it.